Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate how to bring this site survey into Revit through using the bearing numbers. The first thing you're going to note is this site survey actually shows everything in relationship to north. So there's no like south, west, or southeast. It's all north and northwest. So when we get into it, we're going to go back and forth a little bit just to make sure it's going the right direction according to this site survey. So I already have the project started in here. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to property lines. We're going to go by entering distances and bearings. So when you're starting a site survey, you want to start with the top first, or the most northerly point, depending on how your property is oriented towards north. So let's enter this. 6.3, and then 68, 46, 30. So we have our first line here. So our next line will be over here. While I'm doing this, the one thing that you'll see from time to time, since most of my projects are in Canada, is these site surveys won't always be in feet. Sometimes they'll be in meters. So when you enter the distance, you can actually put an M after the distance, and it'll automatically convert it to feet. Canada is kind of a weird place where the municipalities and the cities want everything in metric, but then all the contractors still, for the most part, build in feet. So you have to just be mindful of that. So 0.5. Okay. So this is clearly not going in the right direction. So what we'll do is since it's going south, we'll just reorientate that. Still not right. So I added a couple more lines to this. The one thing you just want to note here, kind of tricky, this arrow up here points to this line, and then there's another 18.99 feet here. And then down here there's actually two measurements. I'm going to use the larger one for now, and we'll go back and make sure that's right after we kind of complete it. So the next one, we're going to turn this corner here. So we got 90.93 feet, and then we have 3.28. And since this is going south and likely west, I'm going to guess at that. Looks like it's going in the right direction. So I added a couple more lines here. They're all going in the same direction, and it looks like from this, we're starting to get the same drawing. So let's start going north again here. We have 231 feet, 21, 13, 30. This is likely going north, but it's northwest, and actually you see that this actually makes sense, northwest. And then the last one here, we have this, it's going the same direction, so I'm just going to copy this number here. 69. Oh, I forgot to add the west here.